Rahim, Assalamu alaikum. This is June to 1943 variant question number 7. In the worksheet, question number 11 we have. Okay, and topic is the O levels coordinate geometry. And we given 2 points A and C and equation of line with AC question marks. First of all, go for gradient. And all you know gradient formula is what? Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. And best way when you have this kind of question, so you label it. How you label? Like this, X. You can label any way, but I can label X1 and Y1, X2 and Y2. But if you label reverse, no issue. Okay, so let's find Y2 is what? Y2 is 9 and Y1 is minus 3. So I'm getting 9 negative 3 over X2 is 1, X2 1 is minus 2. So it means 1 minus 2. And I'm getting 12 by 3. So ultimately coming 4. So grade as a M is a 4 comes okay. And after this, we can find, we need C. You can use any A point or C point, no issue. I use C because there are less negative signs are there. So I'm using C. And I'm using M4 for finding the, so y is what? Y is equal to mx plus c formula. In the place of y, this is y value comes here. And this 1 comes in place of x. And m is 4, you know very well. So 4 times to 1 is 4. And 9 minus 4 giving c. And c becomes 5. So ultimately our answer is y is equals to m x plus c. I have seen some students, they stop here. No, you can't stop here. You have to finish till end and show the equation of line. How to do this one? Angle between AC and x axis, okay. Two techniques are there. One technique is as first you sketch and then you find angle. Or second technique, if your gradient is a positive, then we have a shortcut technique. What technique? Tan theta is equal to gradient. So if I put this gradient 4 here and find the inverse, you can get answer so easily. And simply tan will go there and become tan inverse of 4. And tan inverse of 4 we can get very easily. So tan inverse of 4 is giving us 75.96. 75.963. But you know we need only 1 dp, 1 decimal place. So it's bigger than 4, so add. And when I add, answer becomes 75 point. When I add a 9, it becomes 76 degree. This is our answer for this part. After this, next part, best technique, for example, if you sketch it a rough idea, so you can understand from here, where is minus 2, minus 3? Naturally, it is here. How come? I show you negative 2, let's say here, negative 3 here, so this point. And what is C19 somewhere here? So 19 here. And when I join the line from here to there, so this angle he is asking us, which I found, this angle. And let me tell you, every time we start, we find our angle from positive x-axis till line. So this is the answer we have done. So let's go for the next part. Next part he's saying C part. ABC is a kite, where AC is a longer diagonal and B mentioned here. So ABC is a kite. So A, and he mentioned here, ABC is a kite. And look here, A, B, C, and D is a kite. This total, okay, is a kite. And we given an extra part B. B is given as 3.5, comma 2. And he's asking us find BD equation. So find BD equation. Equation of a line BD. BD line. Okay. Now question, you don't understand this way how to start this question, but if I sketch it, inshallah, question become very, very easy. For example, let me do rough sketching. Okay, I use this area to sketch it. Wait a minute. So look at here. I make two ideas here to get a good concept. Okay, we have this one. This is a kite shape. You can see, and kite shape. This is a longer diagonal. Okay, and whereas this is a shorter diagonal. Clear. And shorter diagonal always equal to each other. I mean to say that both lengths are equal to each other. So this gap and this gap equal to each other. So in this sense, I can say that this point is a midpoint. And second idea, what is important here to know that this length is longer, this is shorter. So there is no way it is midpoint regarding this way. And second number, so it means this is a midpoint. So this line can be called as a perpendicular bisector. Okay, we have done already this concept. Now here, what is my target? Equation of BD is my target. Equation of BD is my target. So you can see that I make a rough idea. A coordinate is here. You know that -2, -3. And C is 1, 9. I plotted. Okay, clear. And according to given B coordinate 3.5, 2, I roughly sketch. You can sketch we have to. So there's a kite shape, and I can mention here that this M to B is exactly equal to B to D. So it means this gap and this gap equal to each other. And second number, this is all perpendicular here. So let's start how we can complete our question, inshallah. I believe you will understand this very well, inshallah. And our first task is to find equation of the BD. How we can find equation of BD? So because we know the AC gradient is 4, and I need gradient of BD. So it's a perpendicular line, right? As BD line is perpendicular to AC line. So I can say the gradient of BD is what? Is negative reciprocal. What is here 4? So we have 4. So 4 actually means 4 by 1. And we have a plus sign. And now I flip, 1 goes up, 4 comes down. So it turned to be 1 up, 4 down, and this plus turned to be minus. It means -1 by 4 is my gradient of the BD line. So I'm sure up till now all of you understanding. And let's see how we can complete it now, inshallah. So I will use but now I use a line on BD. We have one point given only, that is a B. So I will use B only. I'm writing here, use B coordinate. And that is a 3.5, 2. So formula is Y is equals to MX plus C. Y is 2, so I'm putting 2. M is -1 by 4. And X is 3.5. And plus C. So let me type with my calculator. And this 2 plus this value 3.5 divided by 4. It is coming 7 by 8. It goes there, become plus. And 8 to the 16. 16 plus 7, 23. So I get here, it's very clear. I can get from here easily. So 2 plus 7 divided by 8. Okay. So we got a C value. You can see from here, C value came 2 plus 7 divided by 8. So answer comes with us 23 by 8. So ultimate our answer is Y is equal to MX plus C minus 1 by 4X and plus 23 by 8. So alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, you can see easily that how we got answer very easily. Okay. So this part is very, very clear, and let's complete to do the rest part of question. So rest part is very important, and that is saying that find D coordinate. And you know D's coordinate, D is a midpoint. So in this sense, we can find midpoint coordinate, and M we have given by examiner. Here M is given by him, and M is given midpoint. Midpoint is what? Negative 0.5. 3. It is a given by him. So for your knowledge, if I have this, okay, for example, I give an idea. So what is the midpoint formula? All of you know x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Similarly, y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So look at here, for example, this M is a midpoint. So for your knowledge, x1 is a one corner element, x2 is second corner element, and x is a middle point. So it means x is negative 0.5 in this sense. Okay, I given A, D as a chord, A and B. I assume D as a AB. So let's start. So A is A, and x2 is a 3.5. I'm copying here. So this is 3.5 by 2, and 2 multiplies there, it giving us minus 1. And this 3.5 and go and here plus become minus here, and ultimately A answer comes negative 4.5. Now I talk about y. This is called midpoint. So this is midpoint, and this is y1 is called one corner, and y2 is called second corner. So let's find the y and okay, and finish the question. So 3 is equals to, okay, so let's finish question 3, and y1 is b and y2 is 2. Okay, so y1 is a, y1 is, we have here b value, not a value. Y1 is a b, this one, and 2. So y1 is b and then 2 and divide by 2. So 2 multiplied there becomes 6. And this 2 go and subtract. So it is a very, very clear. So we can get our answer. So 2 and b is, so go subtract from there. So ultimately our answer comes, so b plus 2. So 1 minute, let me finish the question. Okay, so this b and plus 2 and 2 goes there, we subtract. So b becomes 4. You can see that our question is finished, and we got the D coordinates. So D coordinates comes very clear. Negative, I will just write a different color. So D coordinates comes negative 4.5, comma 4. That's it. Question finished.